Welcome to STEM Group 3. My name is Mia.
My name is Rocco.
This week we have learned many different curriculums such as
Engineering, CSI, and medicine.
In this video we will be giving you a brief overview of what we learned this week.
Hi, my name is Jordan. I'm a medical examiner. Dr. Smart examined his crewmates, and many of them had sprained or fractured limbs. Treating bony injuries is straightforward once you know the basic techniques. There are 4 types of fractures. We practice putting slings and splints on each other for curricular.
My name is Asia and I'm a medical examiner. Dr. Smart's patient had inhibited shortness of breath, more severe symptoms like shortness of breath, wheezing, and a fast heart rate. She had a collapsed lung. We took a balloon and a straw and we put the balloon on the end of the straw and we taped it on so it would stay. And we took we had a cup, we put a hole in it and we stuck the straw through and we grabbed some clay and put it through the
Hi, my name is Jackson, and I am an engineering specialist. I built an M-bot to go on an island to search for some missing crewmates. I also built a bridge so the M-bot can cross.
Hi, my name is Grayson. I am also an engineering specialist. I coded a robot to search for dangerous places on the island. I also programmed it to tell me where the missing crewmates are.
Hi, my name is Kennedy, and my name's Kaden, and we're the medical examiners. We dissected a calf heart because Dr. Smart noticed one of his patients was highly fatigued, so we decided to learn more about the heart. The parts of the heart are the vena cava, the left and right atrium, and the ventricle pulmonary artery and vein, and the aorta. So we dissected the calf heart to learn more about the heart.
I learned about snake bites because Sydney Young accidentally stepped on a venomous snake and was bitten in the leg. One of her symptoms was mild dehydration, and the snake that bit her was a Malayan pit viper. Here are some do's and don'ts if you get bitten by a venomous snake. Do remain calm. Don't run away. Do call 911. Don't try to capture the snake. And we also learned about neurotoxic and hemotoxic venom.
Hello, my name is Antoine,
Hi, I'm Claire.
and we are analyzing the blood splatters. Selma has dealt the map, the left blood. We are trying to figure out whose blood it was.
The blood was from 30 inches. It was Dr. Smart's blood. We dropped blood from 66 inches, 30 inches, and 12 inches. We have proof that we did the blood splatter in these envelopes.
And we are the forensic scientists. I was the one. There was a missing powder on the ship, and there's missing powder on the ship, and the missing powder was cornstarch. I found out what the missing powder was. It was cornstarch, and it can cure sunburn and burns, and it shows no fingerprints.
Hi, here's the result. I discovered that Jean got kidnapped and then Dr. Smart was helping her, but she was shooting and Dr. Smart was kidnapped.